Alright, Ashton and I went down to Iroquois Manufacturing today in Hinesburg to check out the status of our Ram 5500 dump. When I called, he said, "Yep, you better come down because it's almost done." So we came down and there it is. It's a 2022 Ram 5500 Tradesman 84-inch cab to axle. The body is a Iroquois 4 to 5 yard, 11-foot dump, 7 gauge floor. It's their heavy duty. Um, I've had them in the past. They're very, very rugged, and the fact that they're manufactured here in Vermont is a plus for me. They know how crappy the roads are in the wintertime, and their finishes seem to last quite a while. It's electric over hydraulic. Not quite as fast as hydraulic with a PTO, but definitely much faster than shoveling it out by hand. On the back, it's got a 30,000 pound pintle plus the receiver tube there for a ball. You can see you've got the poly fenders sitting there ready to go on it, and some brackets for the two 30-inch toolboxes that are going on it. That'll give us quite a bit of storage. Like I said, truck's a Tradesman, not quite as decked out as our 3500 chassis. Doesn't have all the cameras and stuff, but does have cloth. Does have the 8.4-inch touchscreen. Upfitter switches are standard, obviously, but the DOT kit, I paid extra for the LED taillights that they ultimately take off and give back to me. There's the power tarp controller. I put a power tarp on this thing. Should be pretty nice. Bring you around to the front end, check it out. No fog lights on this one, no front cameras, but they got the Plow stuff put on. And then the plow going on it is a Fisher XLS. I went with mild steel. I don't feel like paying the extra for stainless, even though it looks pretty. This one expands from 8.5 feet to 11 feet. And I'll have the best of both worlds now. One V-Plow and one XLS.